Just put some new carpets down. Smashing. Welcome everybody. Look, green this time. I change them all the time, different colours. Yeah, crazy, eh? They're not carpets, they're the rugs from IKEA. So there you go. Today was, this was meant to be a video for Wednesday, the 24th of December, special offer. This is called an Energising Kit. We have, let me just show you. Woo, energising. Got to have this. Oh, breathe that in. Clear all this out. Beautiful. Agua de Florida. What next? Well, it's got to be awakening sticks. 3 minutes around your head. Awaken. Beautiful. Spray. Got to have a spray. Cleansing negative energy. Cleanse it away to get the energy. Energising. Beautiful. And then, of course, yeah, energising oil. And, ooh, look, we have a beautiful orange calcite. Makes sense, orange vitality. Gotta be on it. Look at that beauty. Ooh. All of that, guys, yeah, would have cost over 100 and round about 120. We're going to do this kit for, let's have a think, like about 150. So, big chunk off there. Hope you appreciate that. If you want to be energised, this is my recommendation. Isn't it beautiful? 4 kits available only. Enjoy. I'm sorry it's late. Take care. Bye. One link below. I hope you love it.